everyone, welcome back to new advanced transition tutorial on After Effects. In this video, I create this 3 type of transitions. You just follow my all steps. Let's start the tutorial.
Yeah.